In my previous video, I've shown you how to turn on the internet on your Sony TV. But if you're not using the internet, then it's better to turn it off. So in this video, I will show you how to turn off your internet on your Sony TV. So let's get started. Step 1. Press the home button on your remote control. Go to the settings. Go to the right to the network settings. Select it. Move down to built-in wireless LAN and then select it. And then simply select off. In this way, we have turned off the internet on the TV. However, your TV would still remember your connection to your network. Therefore, the only way you could make sure your TV would forget your Wi-Fi password or your Wi-Fi connection is to do a factory reset. To learn how to do a factory reset, please watch my other video in the description.